want to start with foundation. If you don't know which one to buy though, anything above $1,000 works, anything below that gives you cancer. That's how it works, that's how it is. If you don't have enough money to buy a good foundation though, then you just kind of don't deserve to look good. And that's fine, being ugly is okay, but not having enough money to fix that though, that's kind of your problem. So go work on it maybe. Okay, so for the next step, you kind of want to shave your eyebrows off and draw some fake ones on. And if you're not willing to do that, just get the fuck off this channel. You could be in my bed lying naked right next to me begging me to fuck you. I would not fuck you. I would rather castrate myself than fuck a person with real eyebrows. Now just make your eyes all pink and shit so it looks like your abusive boyfriend beat you the fuck up. This is so we can fit in with all the poor friends you have and relate to their struggles and stuff. And if you want to make it even more realistic, just go for a darker purple with a bit of red.
Back at him, I'm back strong.